clear lid on this one. Okay. All right. I am fully 100%. Yo, I'm actually not trolling when I'm about to say what I'm about to say. So I need you to listen to what I'm about to say, and I'm actually not trolling. Listen. I think that people put veggies and fruits in their fridge just for show. Of course, bro is getting pressed over fruits and veggies. Yo, what? You can't cook with them. What are you going to do with some lettuce? Bro's the LaCroix lieutenant. Bro's the candy bar caretaker. Oh my goodness, this is the most my grandma's house setup I have ever